Anza offers buyers a data-driven and value-engineered approach to direct procurement of battery energy storage systems equipment. Our goal is to make your purchasing and integration experience seamless by adding value where it counts, visualizing many OEMs simultaneously, and comparing system architectures based on lifecycle analysis and capacity maintenance insights. This paradigm shift has saved our customers 20 to 30% by providing them with more options and flexibility. Our technical team has extensive field experience since 2016, having deployed more than 55 storage projects in the US. We put our knowledge to work for you through rigorous equipment diligence, systems engineering, and commission support to ensure a seamless project experience. Let's put the Anza platform to work. Say you were looking for an energy storage system for your 85 megawatt 2-hour battery project in Tempe, Arizona, with delivery in December 2024 and a capacity maintenance term of 10 years. Let's also assume that your anticipated purchase date is December 2023. Note that we ask for this because we're using real-time information to help you make the best purchasing decisions. The time of purchase is very important to this. Here's what you get: an indicative list of DC blocks and compatible PCS options, sorted by each system's lifecycle cost. Note that the price for a fully integrated system includes the DC block, the PCS, the EMS, shipping, and tariffs. Here, even with the actual DC block names redacted, the rankings provide real-time insights into cost and availability. You'll also notice several tabs at the top of the ranking table. These allow you to review the breakdown of the costs related to life cycle, beginning of life, architecture, and capacity maintenance. If we toggle over to the Lifecycle Costs tab, we itemize the cost drivers for each architecture. The main drivers of project lifecycle costs are CapEx, OpEx, which consists of preventative maintenance and extended warranties, and estimated capacity maintenance costs. If you want to look at longer preventative maintenance terms, simply adjust the advanced inputs in the project details. Once you save your changes, we will rerun our engine and show you an updated ranking table. Next, let's hop over to beginning of life architecture, where we allow you to take the next steps in evaluating each proposed solution by better understanding the year zero architecture. This view is designed to allow you and your engineering team to update your models accordingly by showing you nameplate power, usable energy, and round-trip efficiency. The new release of the Anza platform lets you choose between two different capacity maintenance strategies, either optimal or overbuild only. If optimal is selected, the platform reports the strategy that minimizes lifecycle costs by modeling all possible capacity maintenance scenarios. Alternatively, for small projects or those with a shorter capacity maintenance term, you can choose to only evaluate the overbuild-only option. When selecting the optimal capacity maintenance strategy, the lowest lifecycle cost strategy is shown. Click on the download file for your preferred system and explore all other capacity maintenance strategies with respective annual costs for that selected architecture. While a good portion of your project can be visualized through the Anza platform, we also work with your team in parallel on a deep dive into the technical and commercial considerations for your top few systems and assist you in picking the best option for your project. Work with Anza to gain more control and flexibility and save a whole lot of money.